Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the basics. Choose the product and one strong hero angle, then set your canvas to 1280 x 720 in 16:9. Once done, adjust exposure and white balance so colors stay true. This matters for click-through. Make sure to light the subject evenly with soft light and shoot wide, medium, and close-up frames. You want options for composition and emphasis, so take several takes now rather than fixing mistakes later, and move immediately to selecting the best hero image. You now build visual hierarchy. Place the product at a rule of thirds point so the eye lands naturally. Once placed, create contrast by darkening or blurring the background to push the subject forward, and add a bold headline using 48px or larger so viewers read instantly. Make sure to include one accent color to highlight price or benefit and a small logo for trust. Use a close-up face or hand for scale and emotion. Then arrange elements from most to least important. You finish by exporting a high-quality 1280 x 720 JPEG or PNG, making sure the file size meets platform limits. Once exported, upload two variants for a /B testing, one text forward and one image forward, and measure click-through to see what resonates. Make sure to preview at small sizes because thumbnails are often viewed tiny. If the image reads poorly, increase local contrast, sharpen the product edges selectively, or relight and re-export.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.